transform your living spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're exploring the often overlooked potential of side yard garden design and tips to create a serene and stylish outdoor retreat. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Let's delve into the concept of side yard garden design, its numerous benefits, and practical tips for maximizing this space. We'll also discuss ideal plant selections to transform your side yard into a flourishing oasis. A side yard garden is a garden located on the side of a house, often between the house and a property line. It can be a narrow strip of land or a larger area, depending on the size of the property. A side yard garden offers several advantages such as: first, privacy. It can provide a private outdoor space, shielded from prying eyes. Second, enhanced curb appeal. A well-designed side yard can significantly improve your home's overall appearance. Third, relaxation and well-being. Spending time in nature can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Fourth, functional space. It can be used for various purposes, such as dining, entertaining, or gardening. Fifth, eco-friendly. It can contribute to a sustainable lifestyle by attracting pollinators and reducing your carbon footprint. How to decorate your side yard garden to look beautiful. To create a beautiful side yard garden, consider these decorating tips. First, choose the right plants. Select plants that are suitable for your climate and soil conditions. Second, incorporate vertical gardening. Utilize vertical space with climbing plants, trellises, or wall-mounted planters. Third, create seating areas. Provide comfortable seating options such as benches, chairs, or hammocks. Fourth, add lighting. Illuminate your garden with soft, ambient lighting. Fifth, use decorative elements. Incorporate garden ornaments such as sculptures, bird baths, or wind chimes. And here are some popular plant choices for a side yard garden. 1. Climbing plants. Vines like clematis, honeysuckle, or wisteria can add vertical interest. 2. Ornamental grasses. Grasses like Miscanthus sinensis or Pennisetum alopecuroides add texture and movement. 3. Perennials. Long-lasting perennials like hostas, daylilies, and peonies provide year-round color. 4. Shrubs. Shrubs like hydrangeas, azaleas, or boxwood can create privacy and structure. 5. Ferns. Shade-tolerant ferns add a lush, tropical feel. 6. Succulents. Low-maintenance succulents are perfect for dry, sunny areas. 7. Herbs. Grow herbs like rosemary, thyme, and basil for culinary and aesthetic purposes. 8. Small trees. Small trees, such as Japanese maples or crabapple trees, can add height and interest. 9. Ground cover. Ground covers like ivy or creeping thyme can help to suppress weeds and create a lush, green carpet. 10. Ornamental grasses. Grasses like Miscanthus sinensis or Pennisetum alopecuroides add texture and movement. From compact container gardens to lush green retreats, the side garden designs offer solutions for every space. To inspire your green thumb, here are 10 inspiring ideas to help you transform your side yard into a beautiful outdoor space. 1. Secret garden. Create a secluded and romantic space with tall hedges, climbing vines, and fragrant flowers. A small bench or swing can provide a peaceful retreat. 2. Modern minimalist. Embrace clean lines, minimalist furniture, and natural materials. Use geometric shapes and a neutral color palette to create a contemporary look. 3. Tropical oasis. Bring the tropics to your side yard with lush foliage, vibrant flowers, and exotic plants. A small water feature can add a calming touch. 4. Zen garden. Create a peaceful and serene space with raked gravel, carefully placed rocks, and a few well-chosen plants. A small water feature can enhance the Zen atmosphere. 5. Urban oasis. Maximize space with vertical gardening, raised beds, and compact furniture. Use drought-tolerant plants and low-maintenance materials. 6. Edible garden. Grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs in raised beds or containers. A small herb garden can be both functional and beautiful. 7. Cottage garden. Embrace a romantic and whimsical style with a mix of colorful flowers, winding paths, and rustic elements. Use climbing vines and trellises to add vertical interest. 8. Mediterranean garden. Incorporate terracotta pots, olive trees, and fragrant herbs like rosemary and thyme. A small fountain or water feature can add a Mediterranean touch. 9. Japanese garden. Create a serene and peaceful space with a focus on simplicity, balance, and harmony. Use natural materials like stone, wood, and water to create a tranquil atmosphere. 10. Bohemian garden. Embrace eclectic style with mismatched furniture, colorful textiles, and unique accessories. A vintage rug or a collection of potted plants can add personality. A well-designed side yard garden can transform your outdoor space into a tranquil oasis. By following these tips and incorporating these plant selections, you can create a beautiful and functional garden that you'll love. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. We'll continue to share tips and tricks to help you create your dream outdoor space. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.